Hello, it's Monday the 14th of August, a very wet and rainy day, and this video is going to be about Ribchester, a quaint little village near Preston in Lancashire. Ribchester used to be a Roman fort. There was a Roman bath there and Roman granary as well. But today I'm not going to talk a lot about the history of the place. I'm just going to showcase all the splendour of this quaint little village. So if you want to admire it with me, come along on a walk together on this rainy day. The historic village of Ribchester in Lancashire, England, lies on the bank of the mighty river Ribble. In the centre of the village, right next to the Roman Museum, St. Wilfrid's Church proudly stands in all its glory. It dates back to the 13th century and was built on the site close to that of a Roman fort, Brennetanacum. I came to Ribchester on this rainy day because my younger daughter wanted to visit her friends who live there, so while she was spending time with them, I was wandering the streets and admiring this northern British rural historic village. These 17th century houses come from the times when Ribchester was predominantly a weaving village. On my channel I have two other videos about the Roman history of Ribchester. However, today I just want to walk around the village streets and look at these pretty cottages with their fascinating front doors and beautiful summer gardens. And even though it's raining pretty hard now, I think everything looks even more beautiful in this refreshing rain. I had my umbrella with me, I put it down there. That's why my hair's not wet. Look at this cafe covered in ivy. All covered in ivy. That's turning red now. Beautiful. It's called Porter's Bun. Smells lovely here. This cafe has the most delicious homemade food ever, and you can also paint your own pottery as a fun family activity. Look at this jam house. Somebody is selling homemade jam outside of their house. I'm not sure why, but I have a great fascination with cottage doors. They're like little portals luring me in and making me wonder. Those columns on the White Bull pub are from the Roman times. St. Saviour's Church, St. Saviour's Stid. I need to find out what that word means, Stid. This is quite an isolated church. I'm going to have a look if it's open inside. I love churches like this. It's very old. Look at this old door. Look. Is it open? Yeah. Wow. The font, gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. Let's find out how old it is. The first records show that this church was in existence in 1136, but earlier buildings that were here predate this. The church is mainly Norman in style, Norman period in history, and this door behind me, leaning against the wall, is the original church door. Here's our record when we came here in January 2022. Me and Olivia came here. Ribchester is surrounded by beautiful Lancashire countryside, and there are plenty of walks to go on. Beautiful door. I love doors. Hello. What does it say? 3 things to remember: as long as you're dancing, you can break the rules. Sometimes breaking the rules is just extending the rules. Sometimes there are no rules. These are the allotments of Ribchester, where people grow flowers, vegetables, fruits, whatever they grow. Just little things. Quite beautiful. That's where we were swimming last summer, and this time there's loads of water there. It's not as warm. Георгины. Красота! Ляпота! Тут колючки, это что такое? Может быть, это artichoke? Maybe it's artichoke, I'm not sure. (1780) this house, wow! So old. And here are some more cottage doors, which I'm so mesmerized with, added to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this rainy day walk around Ribchester with me. Thank you for watching, and until next time!